To make sure everything lines up, draw a line from the corner of each eye to the centre of the nose, and then draw a line going across to form a triangle. Now I'm marking out where the eyelids will start and finish. Do the same on both sides. Roll a ball of clay between your fingers that's slightly larger than the eye socket. Then cut that in half, and that gives you 2 eyeballs. Add plenty of slip, score on the back of the eye, slip as well, and then apply. Make sure the eyes are even and let that clay slip firm up. Now use your needle tool to poke through where the ears are. Roll out a sausage of clay and then flatten it with a roller. And these are going to be the eyelids. So lay them on dry first and then mark where your line reaches the nose. Cut that to size. Make sure you do 2 exactly the same. And then score around the top half of the eye. And add slip on the back of the little clay slab. And apply to make the lid. And now we're going to do the underside. So do the same again, score, slip, and add your lower eyelid. Use your needle tool just to mark out where you need to cut off the excess. Do the same on both sides. Make sure to add plenty of slip and apply your lower lid. Then blend using your fingers all the way around the edge. Next, I'm going to add some extra clay to the end of the nose. Just add some slip and just add a little ball of clay and then blend in. And now I'm just tidying up the end of the nose. I've added some pictures for sculptural reference so you can see what they look like. And now I'm just adding the final part, which is the ears. I roll out a sausage of clay and then cut 2 little pieces off. We've already marked out where the ears have to go, so just score and slip in those areas and apply. And obviously make sure they're the right size because their ears are rather small. And in this video I've made them a little bit big, so as you'll see I'll adjust them slightly and make sure that they're a decent size. It's really starting to take shape now. So now I'm going to add the cheeks. So I'm going to mark from the corner of the mouth to the top of the nose. That gives me the shape I need. Made myself a little clay slab. I'm going to transfer that mark using my needle tool. I'm going to use this little piece of clay as a template. So I'm going to roll out a bigger slab of clay. That's the right thickness. And then I'm going to add these and then cut round using my needle tool. And then flip it over and do another one. Now I'm going to score and slip in the area I'm going to apply, making sure that the widest part is by the nose. Score and slip on the back and then press down. Do the same on both sides and then blend around the edge to form the cheeks. And there we go, that's one cheek. I've added some texture for the whiskers with my needle tool. Head is now finished. Next, assembling the sea lion.